everybody, this is Heloisa Amar, Realtor with Greenfield and Bear Residential. I'm licensed in both Virginia and West Virginia. And today I do have Ross Lehman here with us. He works with Integrity Home Mortgage. How are you doing?
I'm good, and I'm also licensed in Virginia, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes,
I did not know that Pennsylvania as well.
Exactly, yeah.
Good thing. If you want to talk a little bit about you and the company that you work for so people will get to know you, he does awesome mortgages and he's a loan officer. So if you could go over
Sure.
a little bit about you.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm a loan originator, loan officer with Integrity Home Mortgage. They're a local company. We do have branches that go outside of Winchester, but Winchester is kind of the hub of it. And I would say one of the key things that I love about working for Integrity is that we have the benefits of working for a little bit of a larger agency, so we can have our own underwriters in-house, we can have our own processes in-house.
That's very important.
It is, especially when you're going through the process, to have the ability to talk to someone right there. But we're not so large that you get lost in the mix of things.
Mm-hmm.
One of our key things is that personalized individual assessment and assistance to help buying a house.
Yeah, that definitely makes a whole difference. It's very, very good. And Ross, what kind of programs do you guys have for people that are looking to buy their first home, and also for people who already have their homes and they're looking to invest and buy an investment property?
A lot of your typical programs that you would have, especially for first-time home buyers. We have ones if you have lower credit. Now, a lot of these programs, they're specifically for people that are buying properties that don't currently have a property. So I like to mention that because you can still use some of these programs if you're selling your current house and you're buying another house, okay? You're still considered that home buyer that does not have an investment property that might hinder you from having another property or buying another property. So, and when it comes to investment properties, typically you want to have about 20 to 25% down. That way the bank wants to have you a substantial amount of money in it as your collateral. There are ways to, kind of think creatively and work around that, and each individual's situation is different. So definitely something to talk through because there may be ways that we can try to, be creative with those things.
And would this be for people who are looking to buy, like flip homes and then sell the houses, or people who are looking to rent, or both?
Both, and you'll have different requirements for each of them. So especially if you're looking to get into the short term, which would be your flip, you want to have things that are that you keep in mind. You may not have as many restrictions for yourself, but you're going to have restrictions for the people that are buying your house that you want to keep in mind. So for each, whether it's a buy and hold or a buy and sell quickly, you're going to have different things that you want to know and keep in mind while doing it. And that's where we get into the individual process and look at, what are your goals? What is it to hold on to as much cash? Is it to have the least amount of payment? That's where we get into...
Every case is different.
Every case is different, yeah. It's not just a cookie cutter, one size fits all kind of thing.
Right. Can somebody buy a house with as little as 0% down?
Definitely. There's restrictions on it, and there's different loan programs out there. Most of them are income restrictions and location restrictions, but
like rural areas.
Exactly. Even if we can't do 100% financing, we can do with very low money down to about 3 or 3.5% down,
which is like nothing.
Exactly.
If it's like a $200,000 home, that's like
$7,000, $7,000.
Go ahead and buy a house.
Yeah, it's a large misconception that you need to have 15 or 20% down.
Is it not a myth?
It is, yes. When really you don't need that, especially for a primary residence. And that's when we look into people's individual wants, and they may just want to get into a house and they don't even know that they can do it currently. So many people can that don't even realize that they can.
Right, and that's why we're here. We're here to kind of educate people, to let you know that yes, you can. So if you do want to contact Ross directly, what's your phone number? What's the best number for them to reach out to you?
So probably my best phone number is my cell phone number, which is 717-201-0873.
Okay, awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
coming
for having
over.
me.
And yeah, of course. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Bye.